Pretty soon, I'ma take you. Baby, let's just take our chance.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then my name is Destiny, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my mornings and really afternoons because it's already almost 11 as a tarot reader. So I just made a couple posts on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at readbydes. That's my tarot page. And I'm gonna put it in the description box as well. I'm about to get up and shower and everything, and then we're gonna start our day.
Phone, or you should hide it in your pockets until you get home. Don't wanna see no tweets about the night we shared. Don't wanna hear reasons for it, baby, I don't care. You and I both know I'm not just anybody, and I regret bringing your ass to all those after parties. You enjoyed yourself too much and you ain't barely started. I just can't invest in shit to end up broken hearted. You say taking pictures just to
All right, you guys, so I'm ready now. I was gonna put on makeup, but my skin is getting a lot better, so no makeup it is. I'm so ready to wear my face and just feel good again because I was going through it. I was actually about to get a chemical peel, but honestly my face is getting better, so we good. I don't need it, but I have a lot of work to do today. We gonna be busy this morning, okay? But first, you already know we gotta go get some coffee. So let me put my shoes and get my bag ready, and we're gonna go do that. And this is the fit for the day. You already know, comfortable, cute, always. I got this set from one of my friends' boutique. It's called Shop Double Dose. I'm gonna put it in the description box. She has a lot of cute stuff and more dressy stuff too, but I like sets to work in, so I got this. But she has a lot of cute stuff. I can't wait to get more things. But yeah, so I'm about to go get my coffee. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm looking like.
Boy, Mario go to fuck crazy.
Okay, let me show you guys my drink because I got something new today, so we're gonna try it together. So this coffee shop, it's called Coffee Roosters, by the way, but it has like charcoal drinks. And so I honestly, when I was like on the way down, I was like, I kind of don't want coffee, I kind of want something refreshing. So they had the charcoal lemonade, so I was like, okay, let me try that. Look at their logo, so cute. It's okay, it's definitely like refreshing. It's different. I don't know if I would drink this every day, but yeah. But all right, we're about to get to work. All right, you guys, so this is how many orders I have to do. It's about 5 and about 3 candles. So we're just gonna knock these out and I'm gonna be back when I get done. So I had to move the party inside because, girl, my lace, it's fine, but I didn't want it to start acting crazy. So I moved inside and we're gonna get some work done. It's a little cold in here, but it's better than my lace melting. So, okay guys, so I'm still on the couch, yes. This is usually how my weekends go. I'm really a homebody, so I don't really go out much. So basically, I wanted to show y'all how I plan. Eventually, I think I might want to switch to digital planning, but writing it down is what works best for me. So I'll try it, but we'll see. But anyway, so basically, I'm doing my planner for the next week. I do this on the weekends, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And basically, I want to show you guys or tell you guys what I do because I swear, like, this is one of the reasons that I'm really successful with my business because I am a planner. But okay, so basically I have a planner that has empty space instead of one that has lines. I think because like I just don't like restrictions. Like, I don't know. I'm an Aquarius and like I just need my space. And this planner has space. So basically it goes obviously Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So up here it says top. I got this planner from Target. Yeah, I got this planner from Target. But it says top goals up here. And so up there, like I'll probably write some goals, but honestly, I usually just give myself a little affirmation like, you're amazing, you're doing amazing, sweetie. Like I just write something like that because yeah, I am. And yeah, I'm gonna get all this done. And I do not like it being the next week and me not have checked every single thing that I said I was gonna do off my planner. Like I go back and I check throughout my week, like, okay, weekly predictions, cool, did that. Daily Instagram posts, cool, did that. Like, I don't even play like that, babe. Guys to see it through, okay? So basically, I've already done Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday because I'm working on those things on my laptop. And so basically what I do, so you got, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know, but like I do weekly predictions for air, fire, earth, and water. So I write weekly predictions. Okay, and then I do Monday messages on Patreon. So I write Monday message and then I write promote next to it so I'll know to tell the other social media that that's on my Patreon. Because just a little reminder, just in case I post it without it, because it's not done if I don't do both. So then as far as regular life, I wrote cleaners coming. I don't know what time they're coming. I usually write the time, but they usually come like morning to afternoon. They never give me a specific time. They just text me when they're on the way. So then I wrote ship candles because I'm gonna go and ship my candles while they're here doing that. And so I can just like be out of their way. So like I'm very detailed. I'm very detailed. I like to be very detailed. I like to be very specific. It just helps me stay organized as possible. So then going to Tuesday, I wrote what I'm gonna do for Tuesday for work. And then I wrote wax appointment at 3 p.m. And I'm gonna go and I'm gonna check that wax appointment and I'm gonna check that daily Instagram post and I'm gonna check, you know what I'm saying? Every little thing that I post, it's written in this book. Nothing is random, okay? Some stuff is just off the top of my head and I'll just get the feeling to do a reading and I'll go on Patreon and I'll write it, or I'll go on Twitter, or I'll make an Instagram post. Some things are random, but when it's things that I've done every week, then you know, most of the time it is already written, it's scheduled, it's on automatic posts for that day, because I used to do it individually and do it every day, but like I'd be way too busy for that. But you guys, I'm not saying you wouldn't even know, but it's like I'm so accurate that like it doesn't matter when I put, like I be knowing when it's time to post it, you know what I'm saying? I be knowing, like it still resonates for that time frame every time. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. But for the rest of the night, I'm just about to finish doing readings on Patreon, preparing things for Twitter and Instagram for the week, because it's Saturday and tomorrow I kind of just want to chill, so Monday I can jump right back into editing, because I'm already really tired and I don't feel like I don't know, tomorrow I just need to take a chill day. I just need a me day. And I haven't rested for real all week because I had appointments and so I am going to get everything done so I can just chill and be on this couch or be in my bed all day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.